So my shells. I finally went ahead and organized my sewing patterns. Got them arranged in different categories, like or the skirts, dresses, I have a lot of dresses. And then I got the tops. I got some cute ones. I really like this one. Blouses and shirts. Tunics. Shirts. Cardigans and sweaters. I got a little men's collection going on. Sweatsuits and shorts. Pants, skirts, shorts. Some more pants. Suits. Jackets. I got a lot of jackets too. So I also have a lot of projects that I haven't finished yet. So today what I'm gonna do is finish a project. I'm going to finish making this dress. So far, I have the top part done. It's cute, right? And the bottom part is going to be orange. But before I do the bottom part, what I need to do is add the bias tape around the collarbone. This is why I actually stopped at this project, because it took me forever to pin down the bias tape and get it straight and make sure that it's as flawless as can be. It's a lot. It really is. But I'm a little more confident today. And I know I could get it done. So that's on my to-do list. I think I did an excellent job so far, y'all. And I wanted to be like the dress, 3 different colors. At first I was looking to make it the same color, that black, white, and blue. But I'm like, that's too dull and dark for me. So I love floral print. So when I sew, y'all, it's hilarious because I cannot picture like these little pieces and this and that coming together as a garment. But when it gets done, the joy, the excitement, the thrill, it's just like, whoa. Shella, you did that? Yeah, man. Okay, so let me get started. Let me start it up.
You know what? And people think a comedian has to be a real smart. They saying you ain't smart, but they have to know everything.
I know a little something.
Well, I hope you do, you know.
I got this, Daddy. I'm telling you, man.
My dad and my brother.
Next year.
You know who's doing it right? I ain't saying you ain't, but they see working for housing, see? And this is what I always let people know. You get jobs that got you benefits. See, I got 3 more years, I'm set. I'm set everything. I'm a lord.
I'm about to make $200,000.
Forget them benefits, man.
Benefits, no. Benefits is what you need, because you ain't going to be young all the time. Health insurance. You gotta have health insurance.
I'm about to-
That's why they trying to do the thing now with housing. Because see, New York City housing got the best benefits in the city over the sanitation, police, all of them.
No, I think my job had better benefits.
I know. I work
We
for
was
housing.
we was in 1199. They don't get better than 1199. That's the number one health
But
thing
like
in the
I said, New
world.
York City housing is over sanitation, police department, all of them. But you gotta get a job with benefits. But I ain't saying you ain't gonna do it, but I hope you do.
I'm gonna make it.
Yeah, you gotta make it.
I
You
believe
gotta have
it.
something you can fall back on. I got something to fall back on.
For Social
I got
Security.
pension.
I'm a
No,
full
not
back-
Social Security. I got more than Social Security. I got 401k. I got deferred compensation. So I'm gonna have some. We gonna have some money because I ain't gonna have it all for me. I ain't gonna be here forever. So whatever's left, y'all gonna get it.
I'm gonna make a way for we can get more than that, man.
It's okay. You and Nancy could be the union workers. We gonna be the
Y'all
entrepreneurs.
gonna retire, man. I'm telling you, man. Give it to me.
No, that's good.
By the time I'm 30, man.
Me and my brother got some dreams.
Y'all gonna have to retire, man.
We ain't working for
you wanna work,
nobody
you
no
can work,
more.
man, but
We
you
let
ain't
my
gonna have
pops
to,
and
man.
my brother and my sisters do that.
The main thing is, take care of yourself, take care of yourself.
Meanwhile,
Yeah, man,
I
that's what it's
done
about, man. This is what
dropped
I'm
some of
doing
my
for, man.
pattern files, so everything's all over the
Mommy
place.
said we gotta do it better than y'all did it, man.
6053
I feel like this is the only way, man.
8956. Oh,
As long
there
as
we
you do
go.
it and as long as you do it and it's legal.
Yeah, it is legal. I'm out
That's
here.
the main thing.
I'm doing comedy. That's what I'm trying to connect about it. I got the thing. It's called poverty. Live from poverty. So my whole thing.
Clean.
Huh?
Gotta be clean.
That's clean, right? Live from poverty is something clean. It's poverty. It's talking about being
Family,
homeless.
no cursing, nobody, no downgrading the women.
No, I love the females. Okay.
That's good.
I don't want nobody to disrespect my
I
business.
found it.
And then that's why I'm collecting the
That's the main
bottles. So I can come up and I don't gotta pay for nothing. My studio
Okay, I
equipment.
just had one thing in place and it messed everything up.
You know, whatever y'all do,
But-
I'm with you. I know I'm with you.
Yeah,
I'm
you gonna
back-
be with us
I'm back
100%
to
too. You ain't gotta
sewing.
work no more.
About to-
Buy you a church.
About to
everything.
finish sewing up my
On the
dress.
Bible.
Y'all gonna take care of that, you know. You gonna have it. We got, the pastor can get the church now, but he don't want, we got the money, he don't wanna.
So I am about to fix the sleeves first and then do the bias tape and fold. So let me just say I am a beginner sewer. So I'm not an expert, I'm not a pro, I'm not a novice, I'm not even an intermediate. I am beginner. So I am still reading from the pattern, okay? I'm a beginner. But, however, if you are a more experienced sewer, please comment below any advice, links to anything, sewing groups, whatever it is that you may know, that you realize I don't know, please comment in the comment sections below, or feel free to add me on Facebook, Snap, Instagram, and let me know what's up. For real, I take all feedback, and yeah, this is my newfound hobby for 2 years now. I should know more than I do, but I stopped for a while, and now I'm back. So yes, I'm gonna finish this dress, and we're gonna spice it up. We'll do the sleeves and all that good stuff. Okay, here goes. So I started sewing around last year, the same exact time. And I made a tote bag. Okay, so this is way too big of a fold. It says 5/8. 5/8 narrow hem. A narrow hem. Oh. So one side is perfect and the other side is not. Um, I'm doing something wrong. Why is saying E4? Something is wrong. Let me find out. I don't know how to start up a sewing machine. Let me find out. I don't forget.
Daddy,
Yes?
look.
What you doing?
Another for the bird. See this bird? Look, Shady. Oh, you see the phone? Shady, look. You see the phone?
I see the phone.
What you doing, Shady?
I'm trying to sew my dress, but for some reason my sewing machine is not working. I mean, it's working, but I must be doing something wrong.
Yay.
I wonder if the needle isn't tight enough or something.
So, Dada.
Dude,
Don't punch you.
I'm punching.
Okay, so before it was saying E1, now it's saying E. Before it was. Okay, yeah. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank y'all for tuning in. Y'all know I love y'all. Y'all know I love y'all. Okay, till next time. Adios.